In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lookup fields in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, to start using lookup fields, you need to log into your Zendesk account. Head over to the Zendesk website. You'll find the Sign In button in the top right corner. Go ahead and enter your account email and password to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to open the Admin Center. You'll find a Settings gear icon located in the lower left corner of your screen. Click on that gear icon and then look for the option that says Go to Admin Center. This will take you to the primary area where you can manage your account settings. Once you're in the Admin Center, it's time to navigate to the Fields section. Over in the sidebar, locate and click on Objects and Rules. This is where you'll find different options related to your Zendesk setup. After that, click on Fields. This will bring you to the Fields Management section where you can manage existing fields and create new ones. Now that you're in the right section, let's choose to create a lookup relationship. A lookup relationship allows you to build connections between different datasets, which can provide great context for your teams. So, click on Lookup Relationship to start the process. Here comes the creative part, naming and describing your field. It's important to type a clear, descriptive name for your new field. Think about how your team will be using this field and make sure the name reflects that purpose. Additionally, you have the opportunity to add a description. This is a great chance to provide extra context to your teammates, helping them understand when or why to use this lookup field. Once you've filled in the name and description, it's crucial to save your changes. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see a Save button. Click it to finalize your configuration. And that's it. You've now successfully created a lookup field in Zendesk. This feature can really enhance your team's efficiency by enabling clearer connections between various pieces of information. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tutorial on using lookup fields in Zendesk helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Don't hesitate to leave any questions